Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to customize your folders with emojis and cool symbols in the Apple Files app in iOS 26 or iPadOS 26. With iOS 26, Apple has added a fun new ways to personalize your experience in the Files app, including the ability to customize folder names using emojis and cool symbols. So whether you want to make folders more visually recognizable or just add some flair to your file organization, this simple tip is for you. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Apple Files app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to head over to the folder in question. After that, you have to long press on the folder. Then you have to choose Customize Folder option in the contextual menu. Next, users see a massive library of symbols and icons. Now you can select any icon that matches the theme and purpose of your folder. To choose an emoji, tap on the emoji option at the bottom, and then you can select an emoji from the gallery. Note that you can also select an emoji from the same gallery. And yes, if needed, you can also add a relevant tag for your folder. And once you have perfectly customized the look of your folder, make sure to tap on the tick mark at the top right to confirm the action, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily customize your folders with pretty cool emojis and symbols in the Apple Files app on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to perfectly organize your folders so that they're always in line with your preference. And I'll catch you up in the next one.